Check this garbage out. Honda's quality control. This is I just took this off for the first time. Brand new machine. Look at this gasket right here. Look at, I don't know if this is going to show up. Give me 1 second here. Let me get the light. That had not sealed. You can see how the gasket goes like super deep down in there. See how it compresses in? It comes up here, no compression. And then on that corner, you can see it was not installed correctly. It was not engaged. You can see the line. Do you see that shit? That is garbage, dude. Like, how is that happening? How are you shipping stuff out without sealing the airbox? I mean, thank God I like to look at my equipment before I go bomb it out in the dust. But, like, I mean, there's a little, is this light even working? I can't even tell here. It's just barely sealed. You see that? It's supposed to be compressed in. See how deep that goes in? See how deep all that is? Like, that's clear in there. Except for the corner. It's got a little, like, you can see where the plastic was on plastic. My God, dude. The quality control is unreal. Like, this is going to turn to me bitching about a Honda. Like, these came stripped. That screw, stripped. Like, 3/4 stripped. Like, I tried to take these screws off to do my heat shield the other day, and it was like, it wouldn't even come off. I got some Nerf bars, went to undo the Nerf bar right here to start doing it, stripped. I had to get a goddamn extractor out because it's stripped, and this just came out. All it is, and look at the threads in this are smoked. Here, I'm gonna take this back out here. Get it in the light so you can see it. Can you see how the threads are all geeked out? Is that focusing? I can't tell if it's focusing. But yeah, it like insta-stripped. And when I tried to like screw the good screw back in this hole, it wouldn't go in. It's like, dude, what? So I got to buy a machine with 10 miles on it because I've drove it 8. I've got to buy new screws for because you can't even take the screws out because they're stripped. And while I got you, look at this shit. Factory. Raw metal. What the fuck is that shit? Just there's beads everywhere. There's splatter everywhere. Splatter. Look at all the splatter. Splatter. Look at this. Womp womp. Nice quality control, Honda. There's a bead right here. All sides of this roll cage, there's just beads. Here's one right here, big glob, right there. Big old piece of slag that should have been knocked off. I mean, you just run your hands on this shit and it's just everywhere. Here's a piece right here for no reason on the back of the roll cage, not even near a weld, just a goddamn piece of, this is my things I hate about Honda, I guess. I mean, it's not a big deal if it's a $4,000 vehicle, but this isn't a $4,000 vehicle, dude. Like, look at all that. It's garbage. Absolutely. Like, it's underneath here. Look at all this shit. Whatever. So, yeah, my airbox wasn't even fucking sealed. You fucking goddamn sons of bitches, dude. That could have destroyed my fucking motor. Literally could have destroyed it. I'm not even sure if this is even going to work. Like, is it misshapen or something? Am I not going to ever get the seal? My God. Like, I am not happy right now. That makes me so goddamn unhappy. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm fuming fucking pissed right now. All right, I gotta go. I'm gonna start saying shit.